When you're billing out your work orders in SME, you'll be charging for labor. You might have a standard labor rate, but you also might have customers where you have a special labor rate for them. The way you can handle that in SME is using price books. So for example, we have a service item here in SME for our hourly service rate of $100. So if I put that on a service order, it's going to default to 100. But we have a deal with another customer where when we use this service item, we want to charge $85. You would handle that using Pricebook. So you need to set one of those up under Utilities, Pricebook Editor, and just click Run It. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. So I'm just going to click New in the upper left corner to create a new Pricebook. And I'll just call this Silver, or I'll call this Labor Rate A. And click Save. Now in this Pricebook, I'm going to click this Add from Services button and choose all the service items that I need to add to this Pricebook. So the first one we were dealing with is the hourly service item. So I'll select that one. Maybe we also have a special deal with that customer for overtime certified hourly as well. We don't charge our standard 160, but we charge 110. So we've added those two service items where that customer has a special rate, and we would just enter right in the price column their rate. So I'm going to put 110 under the overtime certified, and under hourly, what did I say, 85. I'll just put that in there. So now what we'll do is assign this Pricebook to a customer, and whenever we create a service order or an invoice for that customer and we use the hourly service item or overtime certified hourly, it will use these Pricebook prices. So let's go up to a customer, and I'm going to go to the Rates tab and choose that Pricebook we just created, Labor Rate A. Now if we create a service order or an invoice for this customer, and we try to put that service item on the order, so I'll click Service on that service order, and I'm going to choose hourly, which has a standard rate of 100, but notice this one actually went to 85 because of the Labor Rate A. And let's try adding that other service item for overtime certified hourly, which has a standard rate of 160. But when we add it to this order, it's defaulting the price to 110 because that customer has been assigned to Labor Rate A, and that Labor Rate A Pricebook is on the work order. You can also put a labor or a Pricebook directly on a service order. So when you're creating a service order, here, let's create one. You can go directly to the Rates and Assignments tab and put in a Pricebook here. Then going forward, any of those hourly service items or the overtime certified hourly, those would use the Pricebooks assigned to the work order.